Today I would like to give presentation about the alternative medicine consumer. This research consists of introduction, theoretical foundation, methodology, result, and conclusion. The background of this research is the bad reputation of Indonesia conventional medical treatment, including many cases of misdiagnosed, doctor malpractice, and the high cost of conventional health treatment. Furthermore, with ever-increasing healthcare expense and chronic disease leading, our government only have limited healthcare expenditure compared to other countries. This is resulting in fast-spreading disease, high mortality, and bad life expectancy rate. Thus, productivity of the people is decreasing. So people start to realize the need of longer lifetime to be more productive and lead a better life. And for this, they cannot fully depend on medical treatment. Therefore, there is a need to start search for alternative to healthcare system. People begin to visit alternative medicine, which is safer, natural, gentle, and cheaper. Now we start to explain definition of some aspect. Alternative medicine consists of Ayurveda or India herbs, Chinese herbs, acupuncture, stone massage, yoga, and vitamin supplement. Consumer are those who once or frequently buy alternative medicine product. Non-consumer are those who never buy the alternative medicine product. The research question are: what are the values embedded in the alternative medicine consumer in purchase of such product? Second, how consumer values differ with non-consumer values? Third, which type of alternative medicine consumer dominates in population according to Fals? And the fourth, how the decision journey in purchase alternative medicine would be defined. And the last is how is their buying behavior in purchase of alternative medicine. And for the theoretical foundation, we use Rokia values, which is categorized in two parts. It's terminal values and instrumental values. Each values consists of 18 values, which represent two separate yet functionally interconnected systems. This research used Rokia values as a tool to find the dominating value based on the result of previous short group discussion with the alternative medicine consumers. The group discussion resulting a set of values that close to family security and self-discipline. Thus, require value then employed to explore more values of the consumer group. And we also use a file system. It divides consumer into three groups based on three primary motivation. It's ideal motivation, achieve motivation, and self-expression motivation. We also use McKinsey consumer decision journey. According to McKinsey, there are many influence touch points or where the consumer are open to influence that may interfere in each stage. McKinsey defines the decision-making process as a more circular journey with four primary phases. The first is initial consideration, where the consumer considers an initial set of brands. And the second is active evaluation, where the consumer adds or subtract brand as they evaluate what they want. And the third is moment of purchase, where the consumer select a brand. And the fourth is a post-purchase experience, where the consumer builds expectation based on experience to inform the next decision journey. And the methodology of this research: step 1, we do the problem definition, and the step 2, exploratory research, or we use in-depth interview, and the third is summarize the finding, and the fourth, and we do the descriptive research, quantity research by questionnaire and survey. And the step 5, we use data analysis using frequency, mean, factor analysis, discriminant, and cross-step. And the last, we do the conclusion and findings. And for the the sampling, the subjects were drawn by using non-probabilistic sampling. Purposive and judgmental sampling was conducted to define the alternative medicine consumer respondent, which consists of 300 data. For the needs of additional data on non-consumer, convenience sampling is used, where author purposely looking people who never use alternative medicine to be the respondent, which consists of 100 data. And from the result about the consumer profile, we can see that for the consumer and non-consumer alternative medicine, majority of the respondents are 20 until 32 years old, male, female is more than male. They are working in a private company and having a bachelor degree. Next, let's take a look on the analysis of ROCEA values. Prior to the factor analysis, KMO number is above 0.5 and acceptable for the data to be able to be used in the further analysis. From total 18 variables, only 4 variables extracted through the component matrix of consumer terminal values. The component grouping consists of self-direction, security, universalism, and stimulation of achievement. The component group of consumer instrumental values consists of benevolence, achievement, self-direction, and conformity.